By now, you've learned how Tor works and how it opens the door to the dark web. But Tor isn't the only darknet out there. There are other privacy-focused networks, each with its own strengths, weaknesses, and philosophies. In this video, we'll explore three of the most prominent alternatives: I2P, Freenet, and ZeroNet. Let's break them down one by one. I2P, the Invisible Internet Project. I2P is a peer-to-peer, fully encrypted network designed for anonymous communication and hosting. While Tor is optimized for accessing the regular web anonymously, I2P is built more for internal anonymous services, called EAP sites. Instead of using standard domains, I2P sites end in I2P, and they're not accessible with regular browsers. How it works: data is routed through garlic routing, similar to Tor's onion routing, but with multiple messages bundled together for added anonymity. It's decentralized. There's no central directory or list of nodes. Traffic stays entirely within the I2P network. Use cases: hosting anonymous websites, secure messaging, file sharing and distributed apps. Pros: strong for internal anonymity, faster than Tor for I2P-only traffic, fully peer-to-peer and decentralized. Cons: harder to use, smaller ecosystem, not designed for accessing the surface web. 2. Freenet, anonymous publishing and storage. Freenet is a completely decentralized, censorship-resistant platform for publishing and accessing content anonymously. It's not a browser, it's a network of data storage nodes where users can upload and retrieve encrypted files. Instead of browsing websites, users retrieve chunks of encrypted content stored across the network. It's built to be uncensorable, no central server, anonymous, users can't see who uploaded or requested files, persistent. Once content is uploaded, it stays available as long as it's accessed. Use cases: anonymous forums, decentralized blogs, file sharing, whistleblowing platforms. Pros: excellent for long-term anonymous publishing, resistant to censorship and takedowns, fully distributed. Cons: limited real-time interaction, not intuitive for beginners, slower performance. 3. ZeroNet, decentralized Bitcoin-inspired web. ZeroNet is a peer-to-peer web platform that uses Bitcoin-style cryptography and BitTorrent-like distribution. Unlike Freenet, ZeroNet offers websites that look and feel more like traditional blogs, forums, and apps. Key features: each site is identified by a Bitcoin address. Files are shared over a BitTorrent-style protocol. No central server. Content is seeded by users. Optional Tor integration for anonymity. Use cases: censorship-resistant blogging, hosting static sites or forums, building decentralized applications. Pros: easy to set up and use, feels like a regular website, real-time updates with peer syncing. Cons: anonymity depends on pairing with Tor, smaller user base, still in development and not widely adopted. So which one should you use? Use Tor for anonymous browsing and accessing onion services. Use I2P for secure internal services and messaging. Use Freenet to publish or access persistent anonymous content. Use ZeroNet if you want a decentralized platform with web-like functionality. Each has a different focus and different trade-offs. And while Tor is the most widely used and supported, these alternatives show that privacy isn't one-size-fits-all. Understanding how these networks work makes you more capable, more cautious, and more connected to the future of online privacy.